Good morning, friends. Today is 21 January 2021. Let's start today's current affairs session. Question number 1. Who, who become Mrs. India 2020? So, Priyanka Juneja from Panipat, district of Haryana, becomes Mrs. India 2020. Let's know more about Haryana. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Haryana is formed on 1 November 1966. And Governor of Haryana is Satyadev Narayan Arya. And CM of Haryana is Manohar Lal Khattar. Question number 2. To which field late Dr. V. Santa belongs? So answer to this question is cancer disease specialist. Question number 3. Yoweri Museveni wins 6th office of president of which country? Answer to this question is Uganda. Let's know more about Uganda. Capital of Uganda is Kampala and currency of Uganda is Uganda Cilic, and the president becomes Yoweri Museveni now. Question number 4. Recently, who wins Yonex Thailand Open Badminton Tournament? So answer to this question is Carolina Marin. Actually, Carolina Marin wins in women category. In men category, the award goes to Victor Axelsen of Denmark. Carolina Marin belongs to Spain country. And Victor Axelsen belongs to Denmark. Question number 5. Where has been solar power plant commissioned by Adani Solar Energy Kutch 1 Limited? So answer to this question is Kutch, Gujarat. Let's know more about Gujarat. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. The state is formed in 1 May 1960 and governor of Gujarat is Acharya Devvrat. CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Question number 6. Which state government has decided to rename dragon fruit as Kamalam? So Gujarat is the answer of this question, and the Kamalam is named due to similarity between the dragon fruit and कमल. कमल का जो फूल होता है उसके साथ सिमिलरिटी के कारण ये नाम बदलने की घोषणा गुजरात सरकार ने की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. विच बैंक लॉन्च इंस्टा FX mobile app? So answer to this question is ICICI Bank. Let's know more about ICICI Bank. ICICI full form is Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and it is founded in June 1994. Question number 8. Where will Aero India show from 3 to 5 Feb this year be held? Answer to this question is Air Force Station at Bengaluru. Question number 9. Which state government has announced horticulture development mission? Answer to this question is Gujarat. Question number 10. On which day we celebrate 354th birth anniversary of Guru Gobind Singh? Answer to this question is 20 January 2021. And Guru Gobind birth anniversary day is also known as Prakash Parv of Guru Gobind Singh Prakash Utsav. Question number 11. Which country recently wins Boulder Gavaskar Trophy? Actually, the Boulder Gavaskar Trophy is the cricket test series played between India and Australia. And the answer to this question is India. Question number 12. Who recently sworn as 46th US President? Answer to this question is Joe Biden. And the Vice President of US who sworn recently is 49th Vice President Kamala Harris. Question number 13. Which state union territory recently got a GI tag for Gucci mushroom? Answer to this question is Jammu and Kashmir. And Jammu and Kashmir recently also got a GI tag for saffron. Know more about J&K Union Territory. The Union Territory is formed on 31 October 2019, and capital of Jammu and Kashmir is in summer it is Srinagar, in winter it is Jammu. Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, Manoj Sinha. Question number 14. Who will become first woman fighter pilot to take in Republic Day parade? So answer to this question is Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant. Question number 15. Where is a truck loading unit of Shell India for LNG? LNG means liquefied natural gas, recently inaugurated. So answer to this question is Hazira, Gujarat. Who will chair 69th plenary session of NEC? NEC means North Eastern Council in Shillong, Meghalaya on 23 to 24 January this year. So answer to this question is Home Minister Amit Shah. Question number 17. Who gets additional charge of Ayush Ministry? Okay, we know by now the Ayush Ministry is under Sripad Yesso Naik, but due to his accident, he is treated. He is going under treatment in hospital. So the additional charge of Ayush Ministry is given to Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju. Question number 18. To which field late Narendra Luthar belongs? Answer to this question is he is historian. Question number 19. Who wins Gazprom Brilliancy Award? Answer to this question is Indian chess player Nihal Sarin. Question number 20. Who will be awarded the Press Club Person of the Year award? Answer to this question is Azim Premji, and you know Azim Premji is chairperson of Wipro. And also one more award, Press Club Special Award, goes to Dr. Sethi. Question number 21. Which country climber becomes the first mountaineers to successfully complete a winter attempt on summit of K2? K2 is the second highest peak. So answer to this question is Nepal. They get to the peak of K2 in winter month, and they become first mountaineer to successfully complete this mission. Let's know more about Nepal. Nepal capital is Kathmandu, and currency of Nepal is Nepalese rupee, and PM of Nepal is KP Sharma Oli. President of Nepal is Vidya Devi Bhandari. Question number 22. Which has been confirmed with Sahitya Gaurav Samman? Answer to this question is our Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal. Question number 23. Which country recently leaves Open Sky Treaty? So answer to this question is Russia. Actually, this is a treaty between 30 countries to fly air vehicles in their sky without weapon. So in this treaty there is no limit to fly without weapon vehicles in their own territory of sky. But in 2020 America leaves the treaty, and now recently Russia also leaves the treaty. Russia and America are the main partner of the treaty, and this treaty is actually signed by 30 countries. Let's know more about Russia. Russia capital is Moscow, and currency of Russia is Russian ruble. President of Russia is Vladimir Putin. This is the end of today's session. Let's discuss last video question. On which day International Animation Day is celebrated? Answer to this question is 28 October. Let's discuss your own question. You have to answer in comment box. The question is which film is awarded Best Film Award at 66th National Film Award 2019? So you have to answer in comment box. This is the end of today's session. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. जय हिंद, जय भारत.